Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to remove this door panel on Mercedes-Benz ML 2012. First of all, you need to roll down your window and start removing this plastic around the window, because after that you need to remove this one. So let's start. So window down, and I'm using only plastic tools. You can take out this speaker, just the clips holding it, and with these plastic clips just remove around this plastic. So you can remove a speaker connector, remove a speaker, and this plastic all the way just removed. Next step, you need to find this plastic and remove it. Just two clips holding this plastic, and when you need, unscrew this 1330 Torx screw, only one. Just unscrew it. It looks like this. So now need to take these plastic clips and with the clips all the way around the panel. Need plastic tools, just unclip it all the way around. After all clips unclipped, you can take your door panel off. You should unclip these three plugs. Oh, sorry, it's only two plugs, and this cable for door. And that's all. All door panel removed.